Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use our platform Analytco Sphere to make simple analysis in your data to come up with bar charts, pie charts, histograms, chi-square tests, correlation tests, regression models, yeah, using this platform that I designed using R programming and Python. So if you want to contact us, you can find us on social media, which uh, which is WhatsApp, Twitter, and LinkedIn, or you can send us an email using this email address, or you can give us a call using this contact. And the services we offer here, yeah. So if you want to go and analyze some kind of data, you can click on login to analyze data. If you don't have an account, you click on have an account, sign up, yeah, and then sign up for free. So when you click on login to analyze, I'll just enter my password here and then click on login. So here it will show you the number of days you have to, yeah, up to the cutoff. For example, your subscription will expire in 29 days. So originally you have 30 days of a free trial, and when those days are done, I guess you know what to do. Yeah, you can simply contact us and find out the way forward. So this is the platform, and from here you can navigate through the menu and look at the different things you can do with this analysis tool, but it's still in development. Yeah, so when you choose either an Excel file or a CSV file here on browse, let's start with a CSV file. For example, I have my CSV data here. So when you click on a menu and then try to find out the different univariate analysis that you can do with this platform. So when you click on variable and then choose the variable you want to analyze, for example, gender, and you want its pie chart, and choose pie chart here, it will be able to show you a pie chart for gender. As you can see here, is interactive. When you hover on part for female, it will show you here, and as well you can try to save this pie chart. For example, when you hover here to download as PNG image, it will take a screenshot here and name it maybe as pie chart, and then save it maybe on the desktop. So when you try to view it to see um, here, yeah, it will show you the very pie chart you've plotted the other side. So when you go back and maybe if you want a bar chart still, it will plot for your bar chart here. So when you hover on this, it will show you here. When you hover, and you can zoom in, you can zoom out, yeah, and you can also save the chart. Yeah, if you want a histogram for maybe income, you can simply click on histogram here and it will give you a histogram. If you want a frequency table for maybe gender, it will be able to plot to generate for your frequency table. Yeah, when you choose tabulate here, so it's going to come here. Yeah, yeah, it has given a frequency table with frequencies and percentages. If you want maybe for education, it will also show you. So when you go to bivariate analysis and choose maybe gender and education and choose the analysis type you want, for this case it's a cross tabulation. So when you choose that, it will be able to show you a cross table of the first variable, which is gender, and the second variable, which is education this side, and it will be able to show you that primary and female are here, secondary and male are here, tertiary and female are here. And then it will also return a chi-square test with a chi-square value, a degrees of freedom, and then a p-value. So if you want maybe to find out correlation between income and and family size, and choose here correlation, it will be able to show you correlation here. And if you want its scatter plot, it will be able to plot for your scatter plot here. If you want to save it, you can save it. If you want to do a linear regression model, or maybe you want an outcome of income and independent variables, gender, education, and family size. So it will show you here your regression results. These are the coefficients, standard errors, t-value, p-value. If you want a detailed model summary, yeah, that has the different p-values of the likelihood test, so you can click on show detailed model here. It can show you the the R squared values, the adjusted R squared, the F statistic, and so on. If you want to look at the data set, you can go to view data. Here it shows you that it has 27 variables. So if I mean 27 observations. So if you put 27 here, it will be able to show you 27. The other thing I want to tell you, if you want to use Excel, for example, here is an Excel file, and you have to make sure that that this Excel file, for example, the variable name, if family size has spaces here, maybe it has a space inside, like family and size are spaced. So let me show you what will happen if you load a dataset like that for Excel. So when you load it like that and you go to make a regression model, maybe you have family size included, but with space there, it will not be able to give you the model. It will return an error. But if you rectify that issue and remove spaces from the variables, it only applies to Excel files. So when you load again your data here, after rectifying that issue, and go to linear model and choose maybe family size, income is the outcome. So it will be able to show you from an Excel. Yeah. And when you click on show detailed model, it will refresh here and give you the results. Yeah, that's how you can use our platform to make analysis. And if you want to save this table in maybe in Excel, you want to export your the results of a model, you can choose maybe CSV and give it a name, a file name here. So when you save, it has saved as Analytco Sphere. So when you click here and yeah, here it will show you, sorry, I think I've just saved another. So when you choose, yeah, it has saved in the on the desktop. So when you choose desktop and go to Analytco Sphere, open it to see, it will show you the model well without struggling to copy. And so when you go to maybe bivariate and you want to make a cross table for, yeah, a cross table for gender and education, and you want to save it, you can still save it, no problem. It will save well, and if you open here, it will show you yeah, that gender is this, education is this. It's the same thing that applies to univariate if you want to save this cross table. I mean a frequency table for any variable. So in case you want to learn more, please utilize these 3 days of subscription before they expire. And a lot more is going to be added to this platform, and we shall appreciate your support in terms of feedback. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please, when you go when you log out on our homepage, there is a link to our YouTube channel, which is right here, that you can click on, and takes you direct to our YouTube channel, that where you can find our free resources on how to use R, Stata, Excel, yeah, for data analysis. Yeah, here are the videos, and there are quite many, yeah, for learning, and they are free. Yeah, thank you for watching.